feel like we can't waste this, but I feel like this is so tough. I don't think I'm gonna like this. I feel like it's so tough. Okay, that part was tough. This part is rubbery. No way is this gonna be horrible. Let's try this way. Also, it hurts because it's literally spikes that are just going into my body. Ow. Oh my God. How does everyone Did you see that? Look at that. You just gotta get all up in there. Get all up in that sauce. Okay. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It tastes rubbery. Are my taste buds broken? Well, that looked like it was like fried in there. That is so tough. I think it's still frozen. That is a very expensive no for me, dog. Woof. Potato. Wash it down. Nope. No, thank you. Overcooked, it was barely even in the water. Every time I have tried king crab, even when it wasn't me cooking it, it was a no. Here it is, the king crab. Oh, it's juicy, it's dripping everywhere. All right, here's the hot take. I have not previously liked this, so maybe because I cooked it, it'll taste better.